Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, I am here with another beautiful video. In this video, you will see such a beautiful and unique centerpiece ideas as you can see on my YouTube channel, and also all my videos. All my videos are very unique and different, which is very helpful for your home decor. As we know, the Christmas is coming soon, and everyone is very excited to decor their home and celebrate this beautiful festival with joys and happiness. They share their happiness with their family and friend also. So my dear viewers, these centerpieces are very helpful for your home decor, and it is also helpful for your family and friend if you can give or take gifts for your someone special. So my dear viewers, watch the video till end, which is very helpful for your home decor. All the ideas are very attractive, beautiful and trending. So watch this video till end. My dear viewers, keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos and share my videos with your family, friend also. My dear viewers, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing and unique updates. My dear viewers, stay blessed, stay happy, have a wonderful day.